Hello friends, welcome back to the future of internet. So, today we will be discussing about O-Cademy and its features. Just a minute before starting, make sure you are subscribed for constant updates, only on the future of internet. Whether a student or professional, learning is the foundation for success. Onpassive's O-Cademy provides the best e-learning platform equipped with artificial intelligence technology to aid your learning and skill development. O-Cademy provides a learning space, with courses curated by the best educators from across the globe. It lets you access the best online courses, on the latest subject matters on a single platform. O-Cademy gives you the advantage of enhancing your skills or earning, without disrupting your everyday life. Now, let's talk about some features of O-Cademy. Multilingual, unique and adaptable, category-wise filtration, video quality and speed adjustment, and bulk videos updating. To know more about O-Cademy, visit onpassive.com. Onpassive is going to bring a revolution in the learning industry. It is going to change the education system and improve many lives by providing education, which they couldn't acquire due to many problems, mainly financial issues. Get ready for the revolution. Onpassive is going to bring a change in every industry. Hope this video was helpful and knowledgeable. See you again.